When you start up your car in the mornings, do you have a rough idle? Is your car shaking? Is your idle doing whatever the hell it wants? You may just have a dirty throttle body and or MAF sensor and or IACV valve. So today I'm going to show you how to clean out the IACV valve, and then maybe I'll teach you how to clean out the PCV valve. So let's go. The cover, the nice display cover for this 2008 Kia Spectra. I unscrewed this the wire for the throttle, and I unplugged these hoses for the PCV valve and for the air intake, along with unhooking the mass airflow sensor. But don't forget, before you do any of that, unplug the battery, wear some gloves, and then unplug all of your connectors for you to take out this, which would be the IACV, idle air control valve. Yeah, so when we're gonna clean that, we could clean it with throttle body, but we're just gonna try to clean out all the carbon from the inside and not try to hit this electrical side. So we're just gonna leave it like that when we spray it and dry it. And then we're gonna unscrew this bolt and unplug, of course I already did, unplug the air filter so we can remove this air intake to clean out the throttle body. And maybe that would help us with the idling of the car from shaking, and you know, the idle's kind of crazy, a little bit high than usual. Also, it's good to kind of like tune up and maintain because of all the carbon buildup and all the junk that comes in through the throttle body and the air intake manifold. Alright, so that is our IACV air intake control valve right there. All those dirty carbon buildup, I don't know if you can see it. And we're gonna use this carb throttle body cleaner. We're gonna hit it all over here and we're gonna try to clean it out, but try not to touch this. This is important, that's the sensor. And yeah, we're just gonna clean it out. Yeah, after hitting it, you could see all these dirty carbon that came out from the IACV. Yeah, we're gonna clean it more, and then we're gonna go on to the throttle body. Yeah. I'm not sure you can see this, but I'm gonna hit it in the inside because I don't want to take this out. I don't want the seal to break, because usually when you take these out, you should get a new seal so there's no air leaks. But I'm gonna clean it from the inside here, and I'm gonna try my best to clean it out. So yeah, these butterfly things you can open by pushing it down like this. Look how black it is. Let's try to show you all the dirt that's coming out of it. Yeah. Hit it more. This bad boy. See the carbon? It's crazy. Crazy. Cleaned out the throttle body, and then we also cleaned out the IACV. Now we're gonna go over here. And sometimes your biggest problem is just a dirty PCV valve. We're gonna take this out and clean that as well, and then we'll let it dry for like 45 minutes to an hour, and then we'll put everything back. Alright, so this is our PCV valve. It lets air in to kind of check if it works. There's a little trick. You could just shake it. You see? And it's really dirty, so we're going to try to clean this out. And yeah. Get all that dirty. See? So yeah, we're gonna dry these out and then we're gonna put it back and start it up. we're waiting for this to dry, but this is look how clean it is, the difference. I don't know if you could see it, but it's more silver over there and over here. It's cleaner than it once was. For this PCV valve, how this works is it lets air in one way and it doesn't let air in the other way. So I don't know if it's this way. So usually this might be your problem for rough idles, besides dirty throttle and or your MAF sensor. So let's go get into that. We'll clean out this MAF sensor real fast and let everything dry for about an hour and put everything back, and then see how the performance is with the car and if the rough idle is still there and a little bit of the shaking. So yeah. Mass airflow sensors. So we got this one loose, and we got the mass airflow sensor cleaner right here. We're gonna clean this out and let it dry. You do not want to put this back when it's a little moist or wet, because this is your air intake. It's the one that controls how much air comes in, and it calculates and stuff for your engine and how much fuel it's gonna give, whether it's gonna be too lean or too rich. So yeah, we're gonna clean this out along with the PCV valve, along with the IACV and the throttle body. So then that way it's kind of like a tune-up for the air intake and all that. And let's see if it'll change out our idling problems and our shakiness. Let's go. All right, so our PCV valve is clean, and we're gonna put it back in. But remember, we always hand tighten first, and then we finish it off with the wrench. So that way we don't cross thread anything, and the inside also. So yeah, let's go do that. We're gonna leave things better than we came. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna put all that back. It's cleaner and better than when we first came to see this stuff. Yep. Put back the IACV valve, or IACV, whatever. Remember to always hand tighten first, and then you could use the wrench. Alright, so we put everything back, plug the battery back. We're going to give it a start up and see if it idles wrong or whatever. Yeah. Let's hope this works. Startup is really good. Idle is like 800, fucking 900. Give it a rev. Sounding good, sounding good. Yeah, if your idle is a little high and high revving and or your car's shaking, try to clean out those things. Your MAF sensor, your IACV, your PCV valve, and also your throttle body. Clean those out. Give it a good spray with throttle body cleaner and MAF sensor cleaner only for the MAF. So yeah, if that doesn't help you, there might be a leak, a vacuum leak somewhere in your engine. But yeah, so this car didn't have a vacuum leak. It's working really fine. And yeah, I'm very happy. We gave it a kind of a tune-up. We just need to give it new spark plugs and spark plug wires, and yeah, maybe even some belt changes on the pulley. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. For all those 2008 Kia Spectra owners, yeah, peace out.